Hey guys, so I'm at Costa right now, and as you can see behind me, it is pretty much raining. I don't know if you can probably see? Rain outside! I just came to give Costa a quick visit before I go home, and I'll give you a proper introduction, but unfortunately you're going to be using my GoPro, which isn't as good. But yeah, this new Sony camera isn't waterproof, so it doesn't have, I think they call it weather sealant. So I can't exactly use this to go out and show you Costa. So I am gonna switch to my GoPro, and then you can see what the weather's like in South Africa sometimes. Okay, I've switched to the GoPro. I'm using GoPro Hero. It's probably the Hero 7. I think it's quite outdated. I will basically show you around the stables in the rain. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so as you can see, we store bedding, bits and pieces of wood and everything. Got 2 extra horses out there. Also Jenny's house, who is the owner of the property. Then we usually store all the hay in that shed. So it's haylage, grass, hay, alfalfa, lucerne. Then in here is where we store all our horses' food. Hi! Keeping nice and warm in here. Inside here we have a bunch of clipboards that Jenny writes down exactly what the horse needs to eat. Costa's currently on cool cubes, rider cubes, basically beet mix, and a whole bunch of other goodness. We're trying to get him as fat as possible. It's pretty normal for it to be pelting down this hard now that we've reached summer. But as you can see, we got all the horses that are the livery horses out front here. We've got 2 of the older horses, Red, and then we're kind of up towards Maddie. Maddie has to be my favorite at the stables because he's just so adorable. He's got a little mustache in his nose. He is a Frisian. I just don't know what cross Frisian or if he's a full-bred. Hello! Hey boy! You got company! Kissy? Kissy? Give me a kiss. I want a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. No. Okay, let me show the tack room. Recently we did have a break-in, so Costa's saddle did get stolen, and unfortunately for us, I can't afford to buy him a brand new saddle that fits his back. He also was diagnosed with kissing spine, so the option of riding him even at the age of 21 is off the cards. So we're actually thinking what would be the best possible solution for his retirement. But as you can see, all I've got in here is just his bridle, his boots, and grooming kit, and that's all I have left in this very basic tack room. Costa loves being here because, as you can see, his stable connects to another part of the paddock, so he goes in and out during the day and night, which I think as a retired boy he really, really loves. He craves activity, so I have to keep lunging him, well, twice a week, and on the weekend I hand walk him, take him for walks around the area. I will definitely be doing a video of us going around the block, or maybe going into the forest next door.
You've got friends keeping you company.
Unfortunately for him, he seems pretty bored. I think he's been in here since it started raining, which was early this morning. He does get very restless, but hopefully when the rain does stop, they'll be able to go out. He usually goes out for the entire day. I really, really love his mane. It is super, super long, and I am hoping that I can actually start learning how to do French plaits on his mane and add flowers and ribbons to it, so stay tuned for more videos on that. Of me basically failing how to plait a horse's mane. He's getting completely bored, and he's starting to weave every now and again, which is really bad. Probably why his front feet are shocking. I don't know if any of you have thoroughbreds and also have similar experiences. I'd love to know in the comments below what you actually do to prevent your horses from weaving so much. I have been told to use Coke bottles and hang them up on either side, but the only solution I found that really helps Costa is by letting him in and out of a stable, and that seems to have stopped the weaving for now.
Shame. I think they're trapped in here. Let me let them out. Chickies! Good chickies! Do you guys even want to... I don't think they want to be locked out. I think it's too cold. Guess you're gonna have 3 chicks as friends.
Okay, thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned for more vlogs coming from Costa and Ablesse.